The tech industry is constantly expanding and changing, making it challenging to remain updated. The home technologies the developers and designers have created to make our lives easier are the best part of the recent explosion of smart gadgets and devices. Fortunately, that is where we step in. We regularly test new products, look into emerging tech trends, and update our list of cool gadgets as a result. Since you spend a majority of your time in your bedroom, why not make it the most extravagant and relaxing space in your home? With these smart and cool technologies, it's actually simpler than you might think to make your bedroom look like a luxury hotel room. These are the 12 coolest bedroom gadgets that are worth purchasing and will make your bedroom the best room in the house, from smart displays to Wi-Fi controlled lights. Starting with number 1. Vote to Me Bluetooth Portable Wireless Speaker. A portable Bluetooth speaker with Bluetooth 5.0, deep bass, and IP67 water resistance, 5200 mAh, 100-foot wireless range, and DWS pairing is the Vote to Me VT360. This speaker is specifically made to be portable and small for outdoor use. Enjoy your music whenever you want, wherever you are, whether you're hiking, biking, or holding parties. Play it loud, distortion-free, even at maximum volume. In addition, the TWS function allows you to pair two speakers via Bluetooth to create a wireless dual-channel system to deliver true stereo sound effects. The portable speaker features 360 degrees HD sound, exceptionally loud volume, and rich full bass. Also, Vote to Me speakers are designed to be IP67 rated waterproof, which means they can withstand both water and sand at the same time. Without having to worry about potential damage from falling into the water or sand, you can listen to your favorite music while lounging by the pool or on the beach. Long battery life, up to 12 hours of non-stop use, are promised by the potent lithium-ion battery. This portable speaker is an excellent choice for your vibrant life because of its worry-free battery life and ability to charge your device from its USB port. Next is number 2. The Scent Base Alarm Clock. Rocam's Scent Alarm Clock gently awakens you and improves your mood each morning by activating your 3 senses of smell, sight, and sound. You will be awakened 15 minutes in advance by the pleasant and sweet scent rather than the startling alarm sound, which has been clinically proven to help you wake up feeling more refreshed. Each package includes your favorite morning scents. Lavender, orange, tea tree, and peppermint will fill the air as you awaken joyfully rather than hating your alarm clock. In addition to the standard alarm buzz, this unique alarm clock offers 7 gentle alarm sound options to help you wake up and get ready for the next day. These include a bird singing, a piano playing, and a chord ringtone. The alarm volume can also be easily controlled and set with 5 levels of adjustment. This digital alarm clock features 7 lovely colored night lights that can be turned on by simply pressing the light button. It also has a 5-level dimmer. With this alarm, you'll be waking up unlike never before by a calming light and inspiring melody. Number 3. Spellbright Custom Neon LED Signs. The ultra-bright LED signs from Spellbright are visible from a distance of more than 500 feet and shine brighter than neon both during the day and at night. It is extremely bright, versatile, and long-lasting. For restaurants, retail stores, dentists, tax preparers, attorneys, hair salons, barber shops, yoga studios, tattoo parlors, and bakery shops, Spellbright signs are ideal. For the safety of you and your clients, Spellbright is low voltage at 12 volts, UL, CUL, and CE listed. With a sturdy, shatterproof construction and long-lasting LEDs, our signs are built to last. Number 4. Vansky Motion Activated Bed Light. The bed light will turn on to provide a cozy, soft glow that will help you move safely through the dark room without disturbing others. Power savings, it will only turn on when you move and it will turn off automatically when you leave to further increase power efficiency. Motion sensor light with timer controlled automatic off. By human induction in a dark environment, automatic on and off. 100 degrees at 3.6 meters or 11.8 feet inductive range. Please make sure to correctly connect the input and output. Otherwise, the motion sensor won't operate correctly. At number 5, a must-have. Clip-on light LED desk lamp. Are you working overtime? This clip on an eye-carrying LED lamp is a must-buy. With this, you can create the most comfortable and appropriate lighting mood for various occasions, such as reading, working, studying, and relaxing, by using these USB power lamps' 3 light modes: warm white, cool white, and warm. There are also 11 levels of brightness adjustment. An easy-to-use gadget just clips on your desk. Easy plug-in into any available USB port to power the lamp. Number 6. Levoit Air Purifiers. With the help of Vortex Air Technology 3.0, the Core 600S can purify spaces as large as 3,175 feet square in 60 minutes and 635 feet square in 12 minutes, with CADR of 410 CFM and 697 meter cube per hour. It works well in homes with high ceilings and open floor plans. A powerful air purifier for any space. A simple method for whole house purification, it scans the tiny contaminants and uses improved technology to keep your air cleaner than ever. Number 7. Sobro Smart Side. This is the most interconnected side table with high-quality Bluetooth speakers, Wi-Fi support and remote control via the Sobro app. This high-tech table has a built-in cooler, has a standard storage drawer with a whisper-quiet thermoelectric cooling that is built in. Drinks that are cold should always be accessible. Up to 2 phones can be charged wirelessly at once. Built-in USB, USB-C, and 120 volts power outlets can power additional electronics. A front-facing LED nightlight bar with motion sensor and RGB LEDs that can be controlled via an app and let you set the mood. Number 8. Sleek Socket. Now you can improve home decor while discreetly concealing the entire outlet, unsightly plugs, and cords. Eliminate bulky, unsafe, and unsightly cords and plugs for less clutter, danger, and obstruction. You will never notice this incredibly thin, wall-hugging device because it blends in with the background. In installing, tools are not needed, just like a standard plug attached to the top receptacle of the duplex outlet. It also includes an adhesive cord concealer kit with double-sided repositional adhesive strips and adhesive cord clips to tidy up the cord's attachment to the wall. Compatible with all duplex outlet sizes. Number 9. Portable Smart End Table Bluetooth Speaker. You can now use Bluetooth-enabled devices to play your favorite music. Additionally, a digital FM tuner can receive more stations with high-quality sound is built into the portable Bluetooth speaker. The built-in wireless charger, which is seamlessly incorporated beneath the table's top, enables you to quickly and wirelessly charge your compatible smartphone by placing it on the table's designated charging area. Additionally, it has a USB port so you can quickly and easily charge your mobile devices, including laptops. Number 10. SingLED Smart Bulb. Wi-Fi classic smart bulbs with color changing that are compatible with Google Home and Alexa. Use voice commands to control your smart light bulbs to turn them on and off, to set colorful mood scenes, change the brightness, and other functions. Easily configured through the SingLED Home app in iOS and Android. Plan for your smart lights to come on gradually. The smart bulbs will gradually brighten starting at a specified time and continuing for the duration you specify. Number 11. Sunmori Floor Lamp with Shelves. With a stable structure and greater durability, the Sunmori multi-purpose floor lamps are made of solid wood. Wood grains can be seen on the lampstands and shelves. With a cloth lampshade, it demonstrates the grace and understatement of traditional Asian design. Sunmori floor lamps have a drawer and 3 shelves. The drawer can be used to store small, easily lost items. This will lessen the mess of charging cables in the living room, bedroom, and office, and increase the convenience of life and work. The modern floor lamp with drawer has 2 USB charging ports and 2 power outlets, which can charge 4 devices at once, including a cell phone, tablet, and Bluetooth speaker. Lastly, at number 12, is the Star Projector. This upgraded star projector for the bedroom now functions as a white noise maker, Bluetooth speaker, and Aurora projector all in one. It now has a dual projection lens that can project the Northern Lights effect in 16 different colors, as well as vibrant starry skies to help you unwind while listening to calming music. Use tranquil moving lights to turn your living room into a lovely and romantic entrance. Everyone enjoys having a cool gadget in their bedroom. Nothing compares to the sensation of waking up in the morning and simply admiring it. Therefore, these are the list of the 12 coolest room gadgets that we searched for you. This might assist you in deciding what to add to your room beautification. That's all for now. We hope we did help you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. Bye!